In front of me is OPPO Pad Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. First of all, go into Settings and tap on Display and Brightness. When you're ready, scroll down and select Font. Finally, check out all of those font styles by tapping on the chosen one and looking at the preview above. After deciding which one you wish to apply, click on it and hit apply at the bottom to save your changes. So when I do that, as you can see, style of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!